This Frigidaire 22 pint dehumidifier captures dust from the air for a cleaner, more comfortable home environment with an easy-to-clean washable filter and custom humidity control for maximized comfort. Front-loading bucket with a carrying handle and splash guard makes cleaning hassle-free. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Easy-to-clean washable filter. Capture dust from the air and keep your dehumidifier working efficiently with our easy-to-clean washable filter. Number 2. Custom humidity control. Maximize your comfort with customized control over the amount of humidity in your room. Number 3. Continuous drain option. Skip emptying the water bucket. This unit continuously drains your dehumidifier so that you don't have to lift a finger. Number 4. Automatic shut-off. The unit shuts off automatically when the water bucket is full. Number 5. Front-loading bucket with carrying handle and splash guard. A water bucket is conveniently located in the front of the unit for easy access, while the carry handles and splash guard make emptying your bucket hassle-free. Number 6. Portable design. Easily move from room to room with caster wheels and side handles, dehumidifying your room when and where you need it. Number 7. Low temperature operation. This unit is designed to operate at low temperatures down to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 8. Multi-speed fan. Enjoy more cooling flexibility with 3 different fan speeds. Number 9. Enjoy more cooling flexibility with 3 different fan speeds, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.